So many years of catastrophe, more than 6 million refugees. It could be you and your family, forced from your home and your
Hello, good afternoon, Liam.
Good afternoon.
What's going on here today?
Well, the idea is that we are telling people what's happening in Palestine, which is occupied, and the Palestinian footballers are not allowed to take part in international football, and we are therefore saying that Israel should be banned from taking part in FIFA, and that unless equal rights are restored to the Palestinians in Palestine, and particularly to the Palestinian footballers who should be allowed to play internationally. Until that such time, there should be boycott of all Israeli teams.
The campaign for expulsion is gathering pace around the world. Do you know about that?
Yes, I do. Yeah, I think we are part of that campaign. That's why we're distributing these leaflets outside any football ground where matches are being played.
Yes, somebody was saying this morning that they've got a campaign even in Indonesia, and France, Belgium, Norway.
Well, I think it's an international campaign, just like it was against South African apartheid. And in fact, it was the boycott of South Africa that ultimately led to the end of apartheid in South Africa and equality for all people living in that country.
Well, best of luck with it today. Thanks a lot for your words.
Thank you.
Bye.
Today we're here at Aston versus Norwich, and we're just giving out these leaflets, hoping to get some support for our campaign to expel apartheid Israel from FIFA.
All right, I'll see your expulsion people, yeah? You want to actually expel them?
Well, that's right, because during the 1970s, the impetus to end apartheid in South Africa began when that country were expelled from FIFA. So we're hoping our campaign will have the same effect on the Israeli-Palestinian situation, and will help free Palestine. It dripped down from international football through domestic football, down to schools, to towns. The effect of it was felt everywhere, and that was the catalyst that helped bring down apartheid in South Africa.
So the World Cup is this. Yeah, the World Cup is this next year, isn't it?
World Cup's next year, the big event, and we're ramping up our activities and hoping to bring attention to the ongoing situation. I mean, what's happening in Gaza now is just horrible.
So this time next year, Israel might not be a FIFA member. Good afternoon, Sabrina. How are you doing here today?
I'm good, thank
Outside
you.
Aston Villa?
Yes, leafleting, brilliant leaflets raising awareness of Israel's crimes,
Yes.
not only against Palestinian people but also against Palestinian footballers.
Yes.
So I've just had a politician come up to me,
Oh, nice one.
saying shame on you for mixing politics with football.
Oh, God, shame on him, in fact.
Yeah,
We
and
can't
he was very calm. He put his argument across very calmly. He said he believes football should be above politics and something that unites people. And my counter-argument was, well, when you've got footballers being shot in the foot specifically just so they can't play football anymore, you cannot avoid the politics of that. Especially when you've got teams that are based around settlements that have been illegally created, illegally thrown people out of their homes and stolen their land, and they're welcomed.
It's not because of rocket police, God, can you stop this all? I'm not
Good afternoon, John. Welcome to Villa Park.
Good morning, Jeremy. How are you?
Oh, not too bad. So, how's it going today? What are we up to?
Great day today here, it's been a great week for us. We just got news from Indonesia that they're preparing and ready to mobilise people. France, Germany, Norway last week, Ireland.
And what are the mobilising people to do?
Well, mobilise people to campaign to expel apartheid Israel from FIFA at the World Cup.
Apartheid Israel.
Yes, Apartheid is correct, yes. I want to expel him this time round. It'll be the first time we'll table a motion for expulsion, and we expected to win it. I mean, we weren't expecting to win South Africa, and we did by a massive vote of 78 votes to 9. So, because of the secret vote, or secret ballot at FIFA, we expect it might be again. Here we are today with a brand new leaflet.
Which may I say is very splendid.
It is, yes. Designed by Damien J. Reid, the famous designer.